May seem disgusting, but leeches actually has a lot of benefit to humans.
Oh, that's interesting. I want to know more about it.
If you want to know more about it, then let's dive into it.
Wondering about leeches? Like, why is it about leech? There is over 900 species of leech. Leeches are not generally harmful. Some leeches' blood toxin can be used to help rather than harm. First of all, let's get into the taxonomy classification. Firstly, the domain. It is eukaryota. Organisms in the eukaryota domain have complex cells with a nucleus and other organelles enclosed with membranes. This domain includes all animals, plants, fungi, and many unicellular organisms. For kingdom, it is Animalia. This kingdom encompasses all multicellular eukaryotic organisms that are heterotrophic, meaning they rely on consuming other organisms for energy. Members of Animalia have specialized cells that form tissues and organs, and they exhibit various levels of organization and mobility. Animals typically reproduce sexually and are distinguished by their ability to respond rapidly to external stimuli. And then we have Annelida for phylum. The phylum Annelida consists of segmented worms with elongated cylindrical bodies. These segments often repeat throughout the body and are separated by septa, which is internal walls. Annelid possess a true cilium, body cavity, and a closed circulatory system, and they exhibit bilateral symmetry. They have bristles called setae for movement, except in some leech species. For class, Clitellata. Clitellata is a class of annelids that possess a structure called clitellum. Clitellum is a thick, granular segment used during reproduction to create a cocoon for eggs. Members of this class are hermaphroditic, meaning each individual possesses both male and female reproductive organs.
Next, let's take a look at order Arincopterida. This order includes leeches that lack a proboscis and feed using a jaw or specialized mouth part to create incision in the host skin. Members are typically blood-sucking parasite or predator. They have muscular and flexible bodies, which enable them to attach firmly to their host or substrate. After that, family Hirudinidae. This family is known for its members' medical relevance due to their anticoagulant properties. Leeches in this family primarily feed on the blood of vertebrates. They secrete a range of bioactive substances, with Hirudin being the most well-known for its ability to prevent clotting. Next, the genus Hirudo. The genus Hirudo include leeches that are typically large, robust, and have a well-developed sucker at both ends. These leeches often have distinct dorsal color patterns with stripes or spots that can vary by species. Members of the Hirudo genus are known for their ability to latch onto hosts and consume blood for nourishment. They play a vital role in medical application due to their natural anticoagulant secretions. Last but not least, the species Hirudo medicinalis. The species Hirudo medicinalis is known as the European medicinal leech. It has a dark green or brown body with yellowy stripe on its dorsal side. This leech is commonly used in medical practice due to its anticoagulant, anti-inflammatory, and blood flow enhancing properties.
First, the characteristic of leeches is body structure. A leech has a soft, segmented and flexible body that can stretch and contract. Its body is made of multiple rings with suckers on both ends. It uses these suckers like needles to feed. They have closed circulatory system and a nervous system made of ganglia and nerves. Next is feeding mechanism. Leeches are hematophagous, meaning they feed on the blood of animals like mammals, fish and frogs. They locate prey by sensing vibration. Using their suckers, they attach to the host and suck blood, releasing an anticoagulant to keep it flowing and anesthetic so the host doesn't feel them feeding. For third characteristic is respiration. Respiration takes place through the body wall, and the slow undulating movement observed in some leeches is said to assist gases exchange. Aquatic leeches tend to move to the surface when they find themselves in water of low oxygen content. Fourth characteristic is reproduction. Leech is known as hermaphroditic. They have functional reproductive organs of both sexes in one individual's body. They reproduce in spring in either sexual or asexual processes. Leeches are not self-fertilizing. The sperm of one individual can fertilize the eggs of another individual. For the fifth characteristic is medicinal use. Leeches have been used in medicine for centuries for their anticoagulant and anti-inflammatory properties. They are used to treat a variety of medical conditions such as arthritis, varicose veins, and plastic surgery. Leeches are also used in medical research to develop new treatments and therapies. Next is lifespan. Leeches have a lifespan of 2 to 3 years in the wild. although some species can live up to 10 years in captivity. The longevity of leeches is affected by various factors such as habitat, climate, feeding habits, and reproduction. Leeches can survive for several months without food due to their slow metabolism. Last but not least is habitat. Leeches are amphibious. Leeches mainly live on land but are also found in freshwater and marine environments. Their habitat influence their behavior, feeding, and classification. Depending on the environment, leeches quickly adapt to the different hosts.
Ecological importance of leeches. First, we have predation and population control. Leeches' role as predators. Leeches are known to prey on various invertebrates such as snails, worms, and insect larvae, helping control their population in aquatic environment. This control is vital as it prevents any one species from becoming too dominant. Thus, it maintains a balanced ecosystems. Next, we have ecological indicators of water quality. Sensitive to pollution. Certain leech species are highly sensitive to pollutants and change in water quality, making them valuable bioindicators. A healthy population of leeches or the presence of specific leech species can indicate clean water condition. Conversely, a decrease in their numbers or the presence of only pollution-tolerant species can signal environmental degradation. Last but not least, role in decomposition and nutrient cycles. Scavengers. Some leech species feed on decomposing animal matter, contributing to the breakdown of organic material in aquatic environment. This scavenging process aids in nutrient cycling as it helps decompose dead animals and returns essential nutrients to the ecosystems, enriching the habitat for other organisms.
Leeches are important to the environment. They help maintain healthy aquatic ecosystem and act as a bioindicator of environmental health. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in various environments. Understanding leeches is also essential for appreciating their roles in nature and science.